Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Greg, and thank you so much for answering the question in the last video of what do you guys want to see in these videos. I've already started working and filming on the computer, screen recording to give you some of these in-depth answers. You guys have been asking great questions on there, but this is a quick one that I can give you an answer in a couple minutes here. And this question is, what is the best print-on-demand website to start on where you can get organic traffic? So you don't have to do that much marketing, you don't have to do paid ads or anything. And there's a definite answer to that. There's a couple that I want to tell you about here. So if you're just getting started on print on demand, I suggest one of 3 websites and maybe even go for all 3 of these. The best for organic traffic, just on its own, if you're not going to do anything else but upload the campaigns, is hands down Merch by Amazon. It makes it into a prime listing on Amazon and people just find it. So many people are using Amazon every day that you'll just get sales organically without you doing anything. So if you're going to do absolutely nothing, apply to Merch by Amazon. Once you get accepted, upload your listings and just let them sit there. Amazon will do the rest for you. So Merch by Amazon is definitely the best if you're going to do nothing and just want organic traffic. Now there's definitely a tie for second place. This is Teespring and Redbubble. Teespring comes by no surprise, but if you're going to be uploading your campaigns on there and you want the organic traffic, you're going to have to build up your trust score. So how you do that is you have to get a couple initial sales, whether that's buying the shirts yourself or getting friends and family to buy shirts. That'll build the trust score on your account. And that way Teespring will start indexing your shirts in their marketplace, getting you the organic traffic. Now there's a lot of traffic that goes through Teespring. It's one of the biggest print-on-demand marketplaces besides merch. So once you start getting your shirts ranked, you'll get a lot of organic traffic that way. Now the other one is Redbubble. Redbubble is another one where you don't really have to do anything, kind of like merch. The traffic isn't nearly as big as Merch by Amazon, but you can upload your designs on there and you can select a bunch of different items for your designs to be on and then just let them sit there. And people will buy stickers, they'll buy wall tapestries, shirts without you doing anything. Now that's just for organic traffic if you're going to do absolutely nothing. What I highly recommend you do on any of these sites is you start posting on social media. So make an Instagram page and make a Facebook page, link them together, and then post on Instagram, post photos of your shirts, photos of whatever items you're making print on demand, and make sure you're using hashtags on Instagram. It's the biggest tool right off the bat because you're getting free traffic to look at your post. Whether they click on it and they end up going to your storefront or looking at your product and purchasing it is not guaranteed, but you're still getting people looking at your items, and that's all you need in the beginning. So those are my absolute tips if you're getting started, but just remember that the easiest organic traffic comes from Merch by Amazon, followed by Teespring and Redbubble. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you want some more. I've got a list of all the things that you guys requested, so I've been filming like crazy, so there's a lot more content coming for you guys. Otherwise, if you guys have any more suggestions, any questions or anything, leave them down in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one.